What's up, guys? So let's unbox the Urban Edition of the GR IIIx, see what it looks like. Okay, so you get an extra ring in case you don't want to use that blue ring. Instructional stuff that I'm never gonna read. And battery that I need to charge. I've actually got another battery that's already charged over here. I don't know if you have to charge it fully the first time just to make sure it works. Okay, you know what? This is really hard to open with one hand while I'm filming. I should have set up a tripod. Yeah, this is actually really difficult. Okay, so I got somebody coming by to buy a surfboard in a few minutes. Ooh, look at that. That is stylish. Lightweight, compact camera. Yeah, I do think that looks better than the original. You want to see what it looks like with the black ring? I don't think I've ever seen that anywhere on the internet. I don't know that I've ever seen a video unboxing this, but I definitely don't think I've ever seen a video or a picture with the black ring. The black ring doesn't look quite as good, but you do have an extra in case you lose the blue. Yeah, I like that. That looks nice. I like that there's not different colors on this. I think it does look a little more professional than the original Ricoh GR IIIx. So you do get one of these little wrist straps. Not sure that I'll actually use that. And the charger is in here. I know it looks silly trying to pull this stuff out with one hand. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it's basically full-on charger. Not one that you actually just stick the batteries in, but one that you plug in while the battery's in the camera. So yeah, that's the Ricoh GR IIIx Urban Edition. I'll have some videos on this camera with image samples, video samples, everything soon, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.